Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as those on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, Finance Minister Favour Williams is confirming that new taxation measures will form part of the 2026-2027 budget as the government moves to maintain fiscal stability in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa.
In a statement today, the minister pointed to the Independent Fiscal Commission's assessment that the hurricane caused an estimated $8.8 billion in damage, roughly 41% of Jamaica's GDP.
She says the disaster has slowed economic activity and reduced government revenues, creating what she described as a fiscal gap that cannot be ignored.
While borrowing will play a role, Williams stressed that Jamaica will not return to what she called a debt trap. Instead, borrowing will be directed towards capital projects such as infrastructure, agriculture and digital systems, which are investments aimed at building resilience and expanding the economy.
The finance minister also assured that the new revenue measures will be equitable with protections for the most vulnerable as the country balances recovery with long-term fiscal discipline.
And as we know, Anthony, this is in reference to the budget, which the estimates of expenditure is expected to be tabled in Parliament tomorrow.